I'm Carrie Boyyyyy of AON Celtic Art. I'm a published author and a Celtic artist teaching modern techniques in ancient art. I've been teaching these techniques for my website AON Celtic Art for the last 25 years and also in my book Creating Celtic Knotwork by Dover Publications. This is a small bonus episode for you guys. I have an announcement to share, and as well I have a special tip for you that I'll show at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Previously I was able to share one video a week with you guys, but now I'm returning to work full-time. The COVID scare is over and my vacation's done, so I'm back to full-time work. Instead of doing a video once a week, I will be doing one every 2 weeks. I just didn't want to compromise the quality of the things that I wanted to share with you by rushing the videos out. So you can look for them every 2 weeks now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're kept up to date on those and you don't miss anything when it comes out. And now your bonus material coming in 3, 2, 1. Bonus tip! If you're working on a larger design and you have a repeating portion within it, you can repeat that portion either before or after it's been woven up. Now, if you've already woven it, the repeats that you can do are only by sliding it in a repeat or by rotating it. If you flip it after you've woven it or mirror it, you're going to reverse your over and unders. So you're going to have a strip down the middle where your pattern isn't going to be correct. You're going to have an over, over, under, under, over, over, instead of over, under, over, under. So if you're going to repeat a design after it's been woven, you can only slide it along or rotate it around, and that will maintain your overs and unders. If you know your pattern is going to be flipped or mirrored, you need to do that before you weave it, otherwise you'll have that weaving error. I hope that turns out to be a helpful tip to you. Just remember the rule: if you're going to weave it first, it can only be rotated or slid, but if you want to mirror it or flip it, you have to do it before you weave it. Hope that's helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye!